Hello, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Rupert.
And today Rupert is going to expand our knife skills and show us how to prepare classic vegetable cuts.
Okay, let's chop an onion. Cook's knife, please.
Cook's knife it is, chef.
If you're walking around the kitchen with a knife, always keep it down by your side. And when you're chopping, you're always using it against your fingers here. This is your protection, this is your guard. You're using a sort of claw type grip, 2 at the back and 3 at the front. And we're going to rock the knife in this motion. Chopping an onion, we're always going to take the top off like this. We're going to cut down straight through that onion. We're going to peel the onion. Make sure that you take off at least the outer layer, but you may find that the layer behind that is also a little bit tired and a little bit dry. So, remembering that grip, 3 at the front, 2 at the back, we're going to slice down towards the back of the onion. And you notice I'm only going, well, 80% of the way. And that's because I'm avoiding the root bore at the back here, and that's what keeps the onion intact. So once we've done that, we're going to go into the onion. And we're going to do that 3 times. A nice grip around the outside of that onion, and now we're going to chop. So it's a rocking motion. So for slicing an onion, we're just going to take the back off it, the root off it. I'm just going to go a little bit at an angle, so we've removed that root. I'm just going to slightly angle the knife in towards. There we go, dicing and slicing an onion.
Perfect.
So celery stick, we're just going to do a slightly larger brunoise with this. Same process, 3 at the front, 2 at the back, and we're just going to chop down, taking our time to make sure we've got nice, even pieces. I'm going to do a slightly larger brunoise for this one. Just for ease, I'm going to take a nice chunk out. So for this, I'm boxing off the carrot. So that means taking or squaring off the carrot. I'm going to cut this into 4, and this is a large brunoise. There we go. Nice and even. So we've got a regular potato here, and we're going to take this down into a matchstick. It's a little bit thicker than a julienne, which is a fine ribbon. So I'm just taking this down to nice even slices. I've boxed it off, and again using that safe grip to give us a nice even 2.5 mil thickness. And once I've done that, I'm just going to stack them up neatly, keep a good grip on it, and chop through. We're going to have a little look at using the Santuco knife now, and we're going to use that for chiffonading some basil. So with the basil, we pick those basil leaves down, get the even size there. We're just going to roll those up. Again, we're using this against here.
As a guard.
And then we're just going to chop through like that, nice and finely. So we can see there we've got a really lovely thin ribbon of basil.
For garnish, really.
Yeah.